Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a text file to your email on Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Outlook, as well as a text file. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this and wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Microsoft Outlook. Enter. Wait for that to load. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to New Email. Increase the size of the email window. And now let's select the recipient, which will be Rayhan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Let's add a subject, which will be TXT file. Let's go then within the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached TXT file as per your request. Let's then go to a brand new desktop, go all the way around to the dock, go to Finder, locate the text file, which is basically an unformatted digital document containing only plain text. Could be letters, numbers, symbols, file.txt, spacebar, and we have hello within that. Let's now open up file.txt, which then opens up in text edit. Let's now quit text edit, go back to, after we quit Finder, to the email. Let's now click on insert, attach file, browse this computer. Let's go to documents. The text file, file.txt, should be within documents. Click on open. Go back into the email, type kind regards. From the admin, we can now send this email. Let's go to send items. Click on that email that was sent, TXT file, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached TXT file as per your request. Kind regards, admin. Click on that text file, opens up. Here we have hello. That was within that text file. We can either, once we open, save to OneDrive, copy, download if we ever needed to. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.